1 Minute Spanish for Latin America, Lesson 7.
Hola, hello.
It's Mark and Carolina here, your Spanish teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Spanish from the Radiolingua Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Spanish teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds or thereabouts. Last lesson you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say my name is? Carolina, can you remind us?
Mi nombre es Carolina.
When you meet someone, you may want to say, it's nice to meet you. To say this in Spanish, you can say,
Mucho gusto.
it means much pleasure, much enjoyment in meeting someone. Try it again.
Mucho gusto.
Listen one more time and repeat after Carolina.
Mucho gusto.
So, perhaps your new Spanish-speaking friend could help you with your Spanish. Listen to this phrase.
Quiero aprender más español.
It means, I want to learn more Spanish. And hopefully your new Spanish-speaking friends will help you do just that. Try saying it after Carolina. She'll say it slowly.
Quiero aprender más español.
One more time, please.
Quiero aprender más español.
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Spanish-speaking friends. Try to listen again to this episode and practice the phrases once more. That's all for this episode.
Gracias y hasta luego.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.